If you want to check Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on POCO F7, all you have to do is open Settings. Now in these settings, we're going to go to More Connectivity Options, and then here you should be able to find the data usage. First, we have the data usage of the SIM1 card. You can tap over here in order to also switch to Wi-Fi usage, of course. So here, as you can see, we have Wi-Fi. Even though here it says SIM1 for some reason, but yeah, this is how we can check it. We can also tap on this text that we have below the data usage in order to switch to other days or change the range to last month or this month, like this. And there we go. So unfortunately, it seems that, at least in my case, I cannot really switch to SIM2, although you might be able to find it over here in this place. Or if not, you might want to check mobile networks over here and switch data SIM to number 2. So let me check if that helps. Yeah, so this is how we can check it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.